Hello everyone, my name is Ruslan and you are on the Pro Business UA channel, and today we have another unboxing episode. Let's see what my wife has prepared for me today right here. As always, we have 12 boxes that my wife selects for me from the bag. She tries to select them according to her own criteria. So there's a bit of something big, a bit of something heavy, and a bit of something very damaged. Of course, such a selection is based on the packaging, and in such a way that it turns out to be as diverse and, as she believes, dynamic as possible. Let's go to my place. Here, I've already come up with my own plan. Plan number one is to take my signature little knife, and we'll first open the largest one, and then we'll go in order and open everything one by one, so it seems diverse. This is something very soft. Most likely, there's clothing here. I'm already experienced. Let's go. Yes, the bag is definitely done for. China has everything here. By the way, well, here it's torn. But usually, with how many bags we've opened, usually all the tags are torn somehow. But here, there's still a partial remainder. So, we have a jacket. It's kind of a little crumpled, something, I don't know. Well, a jacket, like a jacket, I don't know, a windbreaker. It's too small for me. Oh, what's this? A slip. A custom slip. Well, that's how it is, such a jacket, but it's too small for me. But sorry, I have 140 kilo. So that's how it is. I think it's about an XL. Maybe a 2XL. 2XL. Made in China FSBN. 2X. Like that. Who needs it? I'll give it away for 300 hryvnias. It fit me like that. We count 300 hryvnias and move on. Let's go to the next package now. Yes. Let's see. Brawl, star. This is all I understand. These are bags for storage for school. I think everyone who went to school had such bags for sports shoes, sports clothes. Yes, Brawl Stars is our theme. By the way, it seems to be popular. 2 such bags. Let's see how much they cost. I think we can estimate around 100 to 150 hryvnias for them. But let's see how much they cost. You saw the price. And we move on. Okay, let's open the next packet. It seems to me that there's nothing here at all. Purely Chinese. Anyway, well, I can't even feel anything here. And it's empty here. Oh no, there's something. A knife, for now. Unbelievable. I've never seen such a small knife. Check it out. Well, just so you understand. Ah. Hey, 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 hey. Sharp. Wow, that's something. Cool. Just so you understand the size. This kind of thing. I hope to get it out. But maybe this would be just what we don't replace. Yes, as if it comes from it. Alright, I think I'll keep it for myself. Such a thing. Pak or Dougal? Yeah, right. Wow, I've only seen this in movies. Cool. Are these personal computers? A knife, yes, but it doesn't turn on. Well, if there's no name here, but most likely you just need to replace the battery. And the Baker Bell Deluxe. There's a processor indicated, all sorts of stuff. Damn, that's cool. Let me show you again how they are such a thing. Most likely, I think, just replace the batteries sooner. For everything. And there too. Well, let's see how much this costs. Maybe it's something quite valuable because it's heavy. Really heavy. There's nothing written on the packaging. Model. DB32. Deluxe. Personal data bank. I've never held anything like this in my life, to be honest. Cool, I'm keeping it. Let's move on. Humpty Dumpty dumbass. Or maybe we'll have one yellow, one like this. Damn. Let it be, you'll say. Here's what, just let it grow and that's it. Right? Well, just perfect, so you understand. Right? Schalte. This is a joke. This is real. A joke. Another night. Well, this one. Wow. What a thing. Unbelievable. Damn. How is that possible? Unbelievable. Check it out. Just 2 knives in one unboxing. Well, that's quite something. I wouldn't say it's exactly comfortable for me. Well, I have a fairly large hand. But it's cool. It looks like this. And here, on the belt or somewhere else, a pocket to attach somewhere. No, well, it's cool. Let's see what it costs overall. Not those, with the automatic ejector. But, well, basically you open it, close it. Okay. Indeed, this is a really very strange unboxing, so let's move on. But I don't know, I have a small one. Climb on the works. Something big. Lens. Wow. Really a lens. I don't see you. Yes, a lens. Vega, 5U. And whether I got lucky or I don't know, maybe they are common. I immediately found that today, 6/11, there's an auction. 5 days until the end, this same Vega 5U lens has already reached 520. In the bidding, I found them sold here on Violet for 700 to 800. Well, something like that, I think around 400 hryvnias we will give him. And as I said in the video, if you need it, please take it on for 405. I don't know what that means. Well, everything works, the diaphragm closes, everything is okay, cool. I know that they are now used even on modern equipment. They just buy adapters and that's it. But this is for those who are into photography. If you need it, as always, the link to the group where you can buy all this is in the description. Go ahead, buy. I list everything very cheaply, at least lower than the market price. Look how much it costs. And I'll list it there, because I definitely don't need it. So, you know what I want to tell you? I don't like this unboxing because my fridge is always empty, except for trash, of course. If you don't count the jacket, everything is very small, very small. What's here? A knife. This is some kind of zabachiska thing. Data bank. What else did we have? 2 bags. In short, empty, 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 empty. I don't like it. I like it. for what? Friends, buy them. Please. I am very happy. Adding 240 hryvnias to the price. But this is already how much? This is, if I'm not mistaken, the third or fourth pack. If you need them for 20 hryvnias, friends, take them. If you take everything, maybe somewhere for school. For St. Nicholas Day or somewhere else. I'll cut them off with a bag and give them to you really cheap. Please write and take 200 stories, counted. Let's move on. So the box. What were you? Box. No, well, this is not cool. What the heck is this? Oh, what is it? Another knife. Well, really, another knife. 3 knives. 3 knives. In one unboxing. How is that? Wow. Well, here. I like this one less. It has a plastic handle, but there's a tiger drawn on the plastic handle, or a panther. Well, anyway, something is drawn. And this little thing, the shape of this knife is cool. If you compare it with this one, this has a classic straight shape, but this one, is rounded, cooler. But this one feels nicer in the hand, but I don't really need either of them. Why am I cold eventually? If someone needs to pinch, I evaluate it for myself. What's left is what I need. That's it. Everything else I need. I've wanted it for a long time, by the way, for unboxings. I got it for myself. Friends, another one. Another plus 240 hryvnias and plus 20 pieces. Packs of 20 pieces if someone didn't know. This is crazy. There you have it. The downside of bowls. As we can see, there's already quite a lot of monotony. A lot. I don't know why it's like this. Well, here, let's say it's the same. Theoretically, I'm sure there are postcards again. Please. Well, that's not cool. That's not cool. Should I open my own skill shop or what? 3, here. I won't be lazy to do it. Okay, I won't do it. It fell apart. In short, 80 or 60 pieces available if needed. I'll fix it. So, and we're on the final stretch, obviously. October. And obviously, the little bag, let's open this one first. And then this one, if there's another city here, I don't know what's the joke. Well, here it's definitely not the goal. Not shining at least something, but like a brush, a massage, theatrical one. What is this? I don't even know what's better. A postcard or such a clearing. I understand this is something rural. The gas discharge lamp factory named after the Komsomol M of Ukraine. Well, from sometimes very old. If someone needs a very old, but new, Russian whistle, all of, this can also be found in our group. So you saw the price, noted it, and we opened the last package. Well, even the last one, yes. A case. Well, so that everything, maybe. Ah, okay, it's not a knife. Okay. What is it called? By the way, it's a very popular thing right now. In short, an organizer with a lot of various things. I don't know what it's called. If you know what it's called, write it in the comments. In short, I can't even fit my fingers in there. Like this. All I could get out was a file. There's a knife, by the way. The knife is sharp here. There are pliers, and there's much more. A total of 4 gadgets on each hand. Different gadgets. I don't remember what it's called. It just folds like this. And there's also a case. No, well, it's a cool thing. If you're going on a hike somewhere, you can use it. It's not heavy. It attaches lightly, and that's it. Let's see how much it costs. I think it's around 200 hryvnias probably. And we'll check the price of everything else. Write your impressions of this unboxing in the comments. Honestly, I have to say I'm disappointed with one thing. Well, okay, if it's still possible, it's something new and cool. But again, I don't need them in such quantity. Why? And the postcards, that's really something. As I said, these are either the 6th, 7th, or 8th ones we've found. And all of them, if you need, can be purchased. That's all. Thank you for watching until the end. All right. See ya.